loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tanisha, and mainly on my channel I do anything beauty related, whether it's hair, makeup, or fashion. And every now and again I'll be cooking. So today is a new season or a new episode of I Be Eating, and today I'm gonna be showing you what I be eating. Today we're gonna cook something really simple. It's gonna be a quick and easy chicken and dumplings. I know you're like, what? Yeah, we're gonna be cooking chicken and dumplings, and it's gonna be really quick, really easy, but overall it's gonna be really good. So if you want to learn how to cook some chicken and dumplings, then keep watching. If you're a foodie like me, then make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Tanisha Smith __. I have that link down below in the description box. And basically on my Instagram, I post a lot of different food content, whether it's cooking or it's, restaurant finds. But definitely make sure you follow me on there, because like I said, I post a bunch of cooking content on there, and I try to make quick, affordable recipes that everybody can recreate, because like I said, we in a pandemic and everybody can't afford to go out to restaurants or find stuff. Basically on my channel I do affordable options for people, affordable but yet good. You can always substitute anything that you like for a name brand or a higher price item, but baby, on my channel we all about saving money. Anyways, I ain't gonna keep on rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and hop right into this video. So like I stated a few minutes ago, we're going to be cooking some chicken and dumplings. It's going to be a super quick and easy recipe, but it's also going to be so delicious. I'm not going to do a whole lot of rambling. I'm going to make this as quick as possible, so we're just going to go ahead and hop right into it. You're going to need some chicken breast. Me personally, I get this 5-pound bag from Walmart. I think it's roughly about $8 or $9, but I like to get the 5-pound bag because I can use it throughout the week for a bunch of different meals. So I do like to use chicken breast, a little bit of chicken broth, and this is 32 ounces of chicken broth. You're going to use the entire carton. You're going to need a little bit of all-purpose flour, not much, just a little bit, so when you're making the dumplings that it doesn't stick. Also going to need some buttermilk biscuits. You can use butter or any kind of flavor. I prefer the buttermilk biscuits. And you're going to need a can of cream of chicken. And you're going to need a stick of butter. Also, you can season your chicken however you want to, but me personally, I'm going to show you the seasons that I use. Like I said, you can switch these seasons up however you want to, but me personally, I'm going to use a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of parsley, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're about to go ahead and get started. So first things first, you want to clean your chicken. Make sure that your chicken is thawed out. If you do happen to have frozen chicken, make sure it's thawed out and clean it. And then that's going to be your first step. I already have the chicken here in a bowl, and I only use roughly about a pound of chicken. I'm going to say about a pound. And then you're just going to put it out, and then you're going to cut it in half. So first thing first, you're going to start by cutting the chicken into half. Well, not really halves. You're going to end up cutting it kind of like in the chicken strips. You're going to cut it into chicken strips so you can place it in the water to boil. And I'm going to show you that. Just keep watching. Now that we got the chicken cut into like chicken strips, we're actually going to season it and throw it in some water to boil. Next, we're about to take a pot, fill it with some water, toss the chicken in, and put it on the stove to a boil, probably for about 15 minutes or so. Just keep an eye on it. Now while we have the chicken cooking, we're actually going to go ahead and prepare the dumplings part. So we're going to take the Pillsbury the Pillsbury biscuits. I had to look to make sure I had the correct brand. But we're gonna take the biscuits and we're gonna open them up. They come 8 in a can. We're only gonna use 4 for the dumplings, and we're actually gonna cook the other 4 for biscuits to go with the dumplings. Just keep watching. Now that we've gotten the biscuits cut up, the chicken is done, and we're gonna actually drain the water out, and we're getting ready to prepare our chicken and dumplings. So the chicken just finished, and now I'm about to drain it. Before I shred the chicken, I'm actually about to put the chicken broth and the cream of chicken in the pot that we just cooked the chicken in. I'm actually going to go ahead and start that and let it cook. That way by the time we're finished shredding with the chicken, this mixture will be ready and we can go ahead and toss the chicken and the dumplings in. I like to shred the chicken with the fork. I don't know any other way to do this. So basically I just take the chicken, the fork, and I drag down just like that. You'll see. Now the only thing left to do is to cook the biscuits. Like I said, I saved 4 of them. We're going to place them on a parchment sheet. I like them in the air fryer, so I'm going to put them in the air fryer for 375 for about 7-8 minutes, and that's it. Y'all, I burnt the biscuits. They not burnt, but they ain't as light as I like them, but baby, I'm still gonna eat them. So that is how you fix chicken and dumplings. They are super delicious, super quick, super easy, and not expensive at all. You could probably make this for about maybe 20 bucks, maybe even for about 15 bucks. But Baby, we about to eat because I'll be eating. Man. It is so good. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like, the thumbs up, turn the notification and the bell on so you never miss an upload. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Wait, before you go, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Tanisha Smith __. I'll have that link down below in the description box, and hopefully I'll see you soon.